Hey guys, welcome to Freelancer Web Guru channel, and this video I'm gonna create a sticky button and the WordPress. Okay, so look at to this button. So this one as a sticky button, and now I'm gonna click on this button. Okay, it will scroll to the contact form. So how we will create this amazing design and the WordPress. Okay, so you can also add a anchor tag. Once the user click on this button, it will redirect to another page. Okay, so you can use any page builder, and this design I'm using the WP visual builder, I mean WP bakery. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show that how to create this amazing button and the using WP bakery page builder. You can also use Elementor and DV builder. Okay, so this one as the WP bakery builder as enable in this page. So now I'm gonna scroll down and add a new block. So I'm gonna click on plus icon and search here for HTML. So you will see a raw HTML here. So I'm gonna click on this raw HTML. So this dialog box is open. Okay, so I have already created HTML and CSS code for this button. Okay, and you can copy this HTML and CSS code and just paste inside the HTML block. Okay, and you can customize according to your design if you want to change the color. So don't worry, I will provide this code and the video descriptions. So I'm gonna copy this code, and you can also view this code. Okay, and this one as the image. Okay, you will see here. So look at to this one. Okay, this image, and you can change this image also. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy this HTML code and paste inside this raw HTML setting. So I'm gonna paste here, and then I'm gonna click on save changes. You will see the magic in this page and the sticky button in this page. Okay, so I'm gonna click on save changes. Once the user click on this text, it will redirect to another page. So I have apply also apply you can also give a link inside this anchor tag. Okay, you can change the image from here. So this URL is for the image. Copy the image URL and paste here, so this image will be changed accordingly. Okay, so I'm gonna click on save changes and then click on update, and let's visit the page. Okay, you will see this sticky button. So I'm gonna click on this button. Okay, it will scroll to the contact form. Okay, so if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.